Hello everyone, so let's get straight to the point. All of us like to use Instagram. Also, most of us upload on Instagram on a weekly basis. Now what most of the people do is before uploading, they edit their photos on Photoshop or AI to add a little magic to their photos. But once they are done editing, what they do is they just mail that image to themselves or upload it on Google Drive and then download it on mobile phone and then upload it on Instagram because they don't see any upload option on Instagram on their PC. But the thing that everyone still doesn't know is that you can still upload images and videos on Instagram from your PC. And to do this, you don't need to install any additional extension or application on your PC. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload these photos and videos on Instagram directly from your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. My name is Samiyan Samant. Welcome to the channel. Let's open Instagram. Now once you open any browser, what you have to do is you have to go to www.instagram.com. the link is in the description, and once you hit that, you have to log in with your account and this UI will open. Now as you can see, there is no upload button available here, but what you have to do is to enable that, first of all, the first step is to open the inspect tab, which you can open in any browser by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus I, and as you can see, the inspect tab is open. Now the second step is, as you can see to the left side of the elements here, toggle device emulation. Just click on that, and as you can see, the resolution of your mobile phone has opened, but there is no navigation bar down here, right? The home button, explore button, add button. To enable that, what we have to do is we'll just have to refresh this tab. Let it take its time, let it refresh, and as you can see, all these buttons are available here. Navigation and then search and all of that. Now the usual procedure, just click on the plus button, and here on the desktop, as we had saved the file, it's not displaying now because it's just selected to custom files. Select all files and we'll select this image.png, open. Now it is opened here. The usual procedure, you can add any filter. I'll just add this one. I'll just click next. I'll write some caption. Alright, now once you're done with the caption, you can add any location. Alright, I'll just add Mumbai, and you can also tag people. I'll just tag myself for now, just to give you a little example. Let it load, yeah, and done. Now once you're done with all of the procedure here, you can also go to advanced settings here and write alternative text, which no one writes usually, and then hit on share. Once you hit share, it will be uploaded on your Instagram profile. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let it take its time. It will show you sharing. And yeah, it shows your photo was posted. Let's go to our profile here. And as you can see, uploading this post from PC, the post is uploaded on your Instagram. Now just to show you a little kind of proof, I'll show you from the mobile application. Okay, now the sharing part is done from our side. Now let's check whether it appears on the mobile phone application or not. So just now I opened my mom's mobile phone, and as you can see, the first post is our post. Let me show you. Alright, so as you can see, the location is given Mumbai, Maharashtra. The post is here. Let's check whether the tags are available. Yeah, see, I tagged myself and it's available, and the caption is also correct. So yeah, our post was uploaded. Okay, so as you saw, we successfully uploaded a post from our PC to Instagram. So that's it for this video. Now if you find this video informative, like it, share it with your friends so their time will also be saved, and also consider subscribing to this channel because I post tech related content and Android Studio tutorial videos and sometimes gaming. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.